Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Turbotax app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down, you keep going down here, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Turbotax app. You just click on search. Then here are Turbotax, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, and here you're looking for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.